Hello, it's Tim here with my day 37 update, and everything's still going okay. Today I didn't get to do anything with our garden, reason being that it was a pretty dreary day outside, so lots of rain and so forth. Hopefully tomorrow we'll get back out there and get a chance to do a bit more. And we had a couple of people leave comments to say that they'd like to see the garden. It's not quite ready to see yet, but what I will do is in the future, once I've actually got the area that we're working on, both of us are working on at the moment, myself and my wife. Once we've got that done and basically got it all ready to go, I'll start maybe doing some videos out there, just showing what we're doing and what we're actually growing and so forth, and maybe even show the progress as we go through these videos. Make it a bit more interesting and perhaps mixing it up a bit from just recording these videos inside my office. So not really a lot else to report. One thing I have decided to do, tomorrow would normally be my weigh-in day, but I've decided to do that probably bi-weekly at this stage. I'm finding that I'm almost dreading weighing, and I'm thinking, well, when I'm not on a diet, I don't weigh. That's the reality. And when I'm on a diet, I'm really conscious of scales and wanting to, be not concerned, but be wondering, how much weight I've lost, etc. My thoughts are, if I'm trying to, change my life, I should be getting out of that old regime of worrying what the scales are showing me. No, it's not an excuse to get out of weighing. I am going to continue to show my weight and let you know how I'm going, because I mentioned last week that I gained weight. But I don't want to give myself this pressure of being on the scales and I've gained some weight, or I've only lost this amount, or whatever the case might be. So at this stage, I'm thinking that I won't be doing that regular weekly weigh-in anymore. I'll leave it to a bi-weekly and just see how I go and see how I feel about things. I might change my mind and actually weigh myself again tomorrow. But what I'm thinking is, again, I'm trying to make this my new life. I'm focusing on eating healthy and getting plenty of activity. And I know that if I do that, over the longer term, I'll actually get down to my goal weight. Alright, so that's it for my update today. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Thanks as always for watching.